Good morning, teacher. My name is Diego Asipuela. I am going to describe 10 people I know. Luis is my father. Maria is not housewife. Monica and Melina works in Sangolquí. Juan is a farmer. Rosita is a teacher. Children don't eat vegetables. My baby is not from Quito. I have 2 children. Juan cooks rich. I don't like to read. Thank you, teacher. Bye bye.